Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the asset repair feature in the Assets Maintenance module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to track and manage repair activities for your assets using Parsimony. To begin, let's navigate to the Assets Maintenance module in the Parsimony dashboard to access the asset maintenance-related functions. Click on Asset Repair. This refers to any activity carried to repair a broken asset to restore full functionality. To create a new repair record, click on the New button. In the repair form, you'll find different fields and sections to specify the details of the repair activity. Start by selecting the asset that requires repair. You can search for and select the asset from your asset list. Specify the date of failure. Enter the cost of repair of the asset. Provide a description of the repair activity, including any relevant details or observations. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the repair record. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the repair record has been created successfully. Change the repair status to indicate whether the repair is pending, cancelled, or completed. Select a purchase invoice if repair cost is greater than 0. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the repair record, then click Submit. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the repair record has been created successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Asset Repair feature in the Assets Maintenance module. Keep track of repair activities and ensure the proper maintenance of your assets with Parsimony. Thank you for watching this tutorial.